From overcoming unimaginable hardships to earning global recognition for Indian gear manufacturing, Sulaiman Jamal, Managing Director, Bevel Gears India Private Limited, was felicitated as a Manufacturing Maestro in Bengaluru by Rajendra Rajamane, former President, IMTMA, and Jithin Ravindran, Head of Sales, Fagor Automation India.
I must congratulate Machine Maker for putting together a great show. It's been a great event, a great networking, and recognizing the industry where it really most needed.
It's really nice to see the Maestros program here. Pretty much excited to see MSME companies being honored for the great work they do. MSMEs being the backbone of the country. It's really good that some of these entrepreneurs are recognized at level.
We had a very successful event in Bangalore for Season 2 launch, and we are looking forward for Season 2, Edition 2 in Pune. We invite all our customers, partners, and industry leaders to Pune for the next edition.